Hello, my name is Akshay Devrakanda, and today I'll be dissecting snail for you. What I'm going to do right now is inject it with magnesium chloride, which I have in this syringe right here, near the backside of the snail, close to where it can't really feel anything. Then once it can't move, then I'll explain from there. What I just did was I injected it near its backside with magnesium chloride. Now, what I'm going to do is use scissors to cut the snail from its shell. Then I'm going to transfer it quickly to this dish over here where I'll pin it. What I'm doing right now is just poking it gently to see if it's fully anesthetized. That way I know when I cut it, it won't feel anything. Now what I did was, right now, I pinned it at its front end and its back end, and I'm going to use these small fine scissors to cut through the top layer of its skin to reveal the inner organs. Now I'm going to pin open the flaps of skin that I cut so that it's fully pinned in all four directions. This is a snail once it's fully pinned out. The first ganglia that I'm going to remove is called the cerebral ganglia. It's located near the center of the snail. First, I'm going to remove the upper organs out of the way. And you can see it right there. It sort of looks, it's a small organ right here that looks like two small balls connected. I'm gonna cut off all four of its connections that it has growing out of it so I can transfer it. This is the cerebral ganglia once it has been removed from the snail. What I did here was I put it in a dish full of antibiotic ringer solution and I pinned it down and left it for an hour. Now it's ready to be desheathed and opened for neurons. This is a cerebral ganglia once has been put under the microscope and desheathed. As you can see, I cut open the top layer of the ganglia so that the protective layer, the sheath, is gone, which means that now the inner neurons are accessible. Then, what I would do is take a micropipette and pipette some out of the inner fluid. Then, if there's a neuron in it, I would transfer that to a microelectrode array, and which has other neurons that I've also gotten for the experiment. You can sort of see the outline here, where you can see some of the protective sheath here, and here is where the sheath has been cut away so that the inner fluid is released.